Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. In her application, material particulars about registration of the minor girl were also incorporated. Stop. Facts were also pleaded in the application that the board of the performa respondent found her entitled for adoption of minor girl Preeti with effect from 6th of June 2014, and since then Preeti is in custody and guardianship of the appellant. Stop. The requisite documents pertaining to decision of the board dated 6/6/2014 as well as custody and guardianship of the minor child were also submitted before the learned court below. Stop. With all humility at her command, the appellant made endeavor to seek declaration and permission from the learned court below for adopting the minor girl. Stop. For substantiating her intention to adopt minor girl Preeti, appellant also appeared in the witness box and proved all the documents. Stop. In all, during her examination, 6 documents were exhibited. After conclusion of the evidence, the learned court below thrashed out the matter and rejected the application by the impugned order. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the appellant, Dr. Sachin Acharya, submits that the Act of 2000 is enacted with laudable objects for the rehabilitation and providing social integration to orphaned, abandoned, or surrendered children, and therefore it is intended to regulate the interface all the laws with children in conflict with law. Stop. Dr. Acharya therefore submits that in case of adoption of orphaned, abandoned, or surrendered children of the power envisaged under section 11, 1 and 2 of the Act of 1956 cannot be cited as an embargo for the Hindu having biological child of alike gender from adopting the child of same gender. Stop. Dr. Acharya has strenuously urged that in such cases, need of the hour is to have a pragmatic rather than purely idealistic and pedantic approach for furthering the aims and objects of the Act of 2000. Stop. Dr. Acharya further submits that the Act of 2000 does not envisage a restrictive condition foreclosing the rights of the parents who have a child to adopt another child of the same gender. Stop. On the strength of these submissions, learned counsel has vociferously urged that the learned court below has not made any endeavor to harmoniously construe the provisions contained under the Act of 2000 with the Act of 1956, and as such the impugned order cannot be sustained. Stop. Lastly, Dr. Acharya has urged that in the impugned order the learned court below has not at all cared to discuss the provisions of the Act of 2000 and therefore the order is vitiated. Stop. In support of his contentions, learned counsel has placed reliance on following legal precedents. In reply, adoption of Payal Elias Sharin, Vinayak Pathak and another 2010 1 AIR Bombay Region 327 Supra. The Bombay High Court examined the provisions of the Act of 1956 as well as the Act of 2000 threadbare, more particularly focusing on the embargo envisaged under Clause 2 of Section 11 of the Act. Stop. The Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 and the Juvenile Justice Act 2000 must be harmoniously construed. Stop. The Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act 1956 deals with conditions requisite for adoption by Hindus. Stop. The Juvenile Justice Act of 2000 is a special enactment dealing with children in conflict with law and children in need of care and protection. Stop. While enacting the Juvenile Justice Act 2000, the legislature has taken care to ensure that its provisions are secular in character and that the benefit of adoption is not restricted to any religious or social group. Stop. The focus of the legislation is on the condition of the child taken in adoption. Stop. If the child is orphaned, abandoned, or surrendered, that condition is what triggers the beneficial provisions for adoption. Stop. The legislation seeks to ensure social integration of such children, and adoption is one method to achieve that object. Stop. The religious identity of the child or of the parents who adopt is not a precondition to the applicability of the law. Stop. The law is secular and deals with conditions of social destitution which cuts across religious identities. Stop. The legislature, in its wisdom, clarified in subsection 6 of section 41 that the court may allow a child to be given in adoption to parents to adopt a child of the same sex irrespective of the number of living biological sons or daughters. Stop. Thank you.